Alright guys, so in today's video, we are going to be taking a look at the Dreame L40 Ultra Gen 2. This is a robot vacuum and a mop combo designed to automate almost your entire floor cleaning routine. Now this one is interesting because the price of this product sits in a pretty reasonable spot, but it also includes some very high-end features. It's got powerful 25,000 PAs of suction power. It also has an extendable mop pad that is able to reach out and clean the edges and baseboards of your home. It also has a fully automated base station that washes your mop pads, dries them with hot air, and empties the dustbin automatically. And of course, it has a powerful application with tons of built-in features. So let's dive in and take a closer look at how it works. Alright, so here we have the package completely unboxed, as you can see. So let's go over everything one by one. So here's the robot vacuum. And here's the base station right over there in the back. And then we have a power cable. We have the mop pads that go on the actual robot mop vacuum. We do have a RAM. We have a dust bag. And we do have a user guide. Now, when you flip the vacuum, you just grab your mop pads. And they do magnetically attach right over here and here. So that's going to be all good to go. And you simply attach the ramp right over here so the vacuum can drive over and park itself in the base station. And then finally, you pull this out just like this. Okay, you put it to the side and you can see we have a pre-installed dust bag right over here. The additional one you can install when that one fills with dust, but that's very simple. So you put this right back, as you can see. And on the top, when I open this up, you can see we have the clean water tank, we have the dirty water tank. You're gonna fill this with clean water for the first use, and that's gonna fill up automatically as the vacuum mops and cleans itself over time. And you do have to empty this every time it gets filled up, and also replenish the clean water tank as it runs out. Very simple process, and then you shut this up. Basically, this is what it's gonna look like when it's all set up and ready to go, as you can see. Fantastic. I also love the fact that Dreame includes this quick start guide that makes setup very, very easy right from the beginning. Alright, so the very first thing I want to talk about is the fact that the L40 Ultra Gen 2 has 25 PAs of suction power. So whether you have carpets or you have hardwood floors, it's not going to matter. It's going to lift up everything. So right here you can see we have some debris on the carpet. And I'm going to show you guys a test run both on the carpet and the hardwood floors so you can see how powerful the vacuum is. So again, here's the debris on the carpet. Let's do a quick run so you guys can see how powerful that is. And take a look at that. Everything has been cleared up from the carpet, and this is a very thick carpet, so it really digs it out from the carpet and lifts up everything and cleans it up. All right, so let's do another test run on the hardwood floors. So again, here we have the mess. There's the vacuum. I want you guys to notice how it's going to clean up the mess in just one run. It doesn't require multiple runs. So let's start. And look at that. That is insane. 25,000 PAs of suction power, everything cleared up. Now, another great feature is the smart edge cleaning capability. So basically, the mop has an extendable side brush and a mop arm. So when the robot detects edges or corners, the brush extends outwards. So if there's any dust and debris, it'll take that away and suck it in. And also the mop is able to reach further along the walls and mop the edges of your baseboards or corners or tight edges, whatever. So while other vacuums struggle with this, this one just cleans up every nook and cranny of your home. So I do want to quickly let you guys know that this base station and vacuum is basically a fully automated cleaning solution. So this dock over here, this base station, basically empties the dustbin, washes the mop pads, dries them with hot air, refills the water, and also prepares the robot for the next cleaning cycle. So it is in fact minimal maintenance. Let me give you a quick example of what I'm talking about. Let me walk you through so you understand exactly what I mean. Now right now you can see that the vacuum is mopping and cleaning the floors, and as you can see it is giving it a very nice shine. It does an amazing job mopping your floors, in this case hardwood floors. But look at what happens after the job is complete. All right, so here's a job that is complete. And it tells you that it's complete, and then you can see it's returning to the dock to charge. All this is happening automatically. I just want you guys to see how the whole process is completely automatic. And I want you guys to see exactly what happens. All this is automatic stuff. So it's been docked.
Start charging. Start cleaning mop pads.
So now it is actually cleaning the mop pads so they don't remain dirty, so for the next job they're ready. So you can hear all the noises of the scrubbing, the water going down there, and actually cleaning the mop pads so they're ready for their next job. And I want to let you know, if I open this up, it's taking the clean water from the clean water tank to clean the mop pads, and then once the mop pads are cleaned, the dirty water goes in here, okay? So all this is automatic, all in one. And of course, for the vacuuming, all the dust gets pulled from the vacuum into this dust bag. So both the vacuuming and the mopping is handled by this base station completely automatically. You just have to do minimal maintenance every now and then, like changing the bag and changing the water tanks. And just a couple more tiny things I'm gonna show you guys in the app in a second. Now this vacuum does have a LiDAR mapping system, and also it has smart obstacle avoidance. So just so you understand what I'm talking about, this here is the LiDAR navigation system. This maps out your entire room with precision. And this over here, we have another laser here that is able to detect and avoid objects. So you have that laser, and then you have the LiDAR system right here. So it is able to recognize and avoid certain objects that you may leave on the floor, like slippers and shoes, and it's going to clean around them. So it is aware of what's going on around the house, but I do want to let you know it is not as precise as some of the more expensive models. But as you can see, it clearly is able to avoid my slippers on the floor and clean around them. Now, one more thing I want to talk about is the battery capacity on this thing. It does have a large 5,200 milliamp hours battery. Now, with a full charge, that can give you 220 minutes of runtime if you're just vacuuming in the quiet mode. But if you're doing some mixed cleaning, like mopping and vacuuming, you can actually get 2 to 3 hours of runtime. Now, Dreame also has this incredible application. You can get this application in the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, and basically there's so many features in here. Let me show you what's going on. So this is the main interface, but you can go inside, and then as you can see, the LiDAR scanner on the vacuum is able to map my entire room or my house. This is my studio space right over here. And then you can see right over here, I can do cleaning and I can do some dock capabilities. I can empty my vacuum if there's dust in the vacuum into the dust bag. I can wash the mops and I can dry the mops. And it's going to be hot air mop drying. I can even tap on the dock settings and make modifications to all my dock settings. As you can see, very customizable. I can do custom cleaning, as you can see. I can do a vacuum and mop, and I can change the suction power and also the mop wetness. Or I can just do everything automatically by going to Clean Genius mode, and that's going to basically do everything for me automatically based on my house and based on what the mop is able to identify. I can even do zone cleaning. So let's say somebody spilled something in my house right over here. I can tap on the zone and I can actually do some zone cleaning. So anywhere I put this box, I can resize it, I can make it smaller. The vacuum is gonna go in there and it's going to do a mopping or vacuuming based on my needs. I can set the parameters from right over here, as you can see, but we do have zoned cleaning as well. So you can deploy the vacuum right from here if you want. And then I can go over here and there's various settings I can access. So for example, we have the carpet cleaning settings. You can see I can vacuum the carpets automatically without mopping, which is what should be done. I can even avoid the carpets if I don't want to do anything with them. But with the mop, look at this. If I tap on more settings, I'm able to do a carpet boost. So the robot will lift up the mop pads so they don't touch the carpets, and it's going to do a carpet boost to get even more powerful suction to clean it deeper, okay? All these things are customizable and you can change the settings. If you have pets, you have some pet options, as you can see. And I do want to show you one more thing. If you go down over here, you can see the accessory usage. So the filter, the side brush, the main brush, it shows you how much life is left in each. And once they do wear out, the app is going to let you know and you can quickly replace them, okay? You can buy these from Dreame to keep that vacuum running nice and clean. So we have a lot of options in the app itself to customize your cleaning parameters. So tons of options to customize your cleaning and control your robot vacuum from your phone. You can do cleaning even when you're not in the house. You can deploy your vacuum right from here. Alright guys, so we have talked about just about everything here. We have looked at the Dreame L40 Ultra Gen 2. If you do want to check it out and buy it at the lowest pricing, the links are going to be in the description box below. Again, the price of this vacuum is very reasonable for everything that it is able to do. If you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, also drop them down below and let me know.